Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Binance Web3 wallet to exchange. So first of all, go to assets, then go click on deposit. After that, choose USDT, and then go choose the network. For example, BNB Smart Chain, click on it. After that, copy the address, deposit address, then go back, and then go to wallet. After going to wallet, go to assets, and then click on send, and then you need to choose USDT. Let me see, just wait a little bit. You need to choose USDT, search for USDT. After that, click on send and put your address here. Okay guys, put your address and you can send the money of USDT. Thank you guys, and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.